Each year, over 10 million foreign visitors travel to Taiwan. People are familiar with those sightseeing spots and culture, but not local things of Taiwanese life. So how could we introduce these features in a simple way? We found that foreign visitors are interested in foot massage, and they even search for tutorials. By knowing this, we turn Taiwanese features into something more. We present you FOOTmosa, a Taiwanese foot massage tutorial channel. We combine foot massage and Formosa and use the authentic Taiwanese foot massage to show them the best of Taiwan. We found similarities between what we do in daily life and the gestures of foot massage, and made series of tutorials. Baseball vibe. Taiwanese have great passion for baseball. Be a motorbiker. Taiwanese hang around with motorbikes. Let's make tea. Taiwanese make world-famous tea. And more. We created a fan page on Facebook and Instagram and launched a social campaign. First, teaser. We posted the shadow of the gesture and let them guess. Second, tutorial. We revealed the answer and introduced the culture behind it. Third, acupuncture instruction. Guess what? The shape of Taiwan is perfect to tell people where to do foot massage. For instance, busy office workers would use the have a drink gesture to press the acupuncture on your foot, which similarly located in Nantou on Taiwan map. It is said to be good for your kidney. We even follow up with recent issues, and people love it. A lot of them even tried it. Use the authentic Taiwanese foot massage to learn the best of Taiwan. Do foot massage, remember Taiwan. FOOTmosa.